Hello and welcome to another back in stock video where we take a look around the shelves here in the warehouse and see what's available for your bike this week. So let's have a look. So first up this week, part number 13880 the mounting kit for the steel interstate fuel tank on the 850 Commando. That's £20.34 including VAT. Next is a seat knob assembly and fixing kit for the Commando, 68 through to 74. That's part number 131823 and that's £28.74 including VAT. Next up is part number 131762, the pressure release valve assembly kit. That's £28.74 including VAT. And the 131972, the Tri-Spark kit for the electronic ignition, the regulator and rectifier with a CW capacitor and two 6-volt ignition coils is £479.40 including VAT, and it comes with the mounting bracket. And finally this week, an oil filter removal tool, part number 131837 is £14.34 including VAT. And as always, any item that I've mentioned is linked in the section below. You can just click on that, it'll take you straight to the website page where you can buy that item. But if there's something I haven't mentioned and you're waiting for it to come back in stock, you don't need to give us a call or anything like that. You can do if you want, but it's also just as easy to click on the link in the section below and it'll take you through the entire process of setting up an email reminder so that when the item comes back in stock, you'll get let known straight away on your email system, so then you can get on the website and buy that item. It's really simple to do, just a little checkbox, but the video takes you through the whole process. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching today. Until next time though, safe riding.